Welcome to the Galactic Pulse podcast, where we delve into the frontiers of science and technology. In this episode, we explore the fascinating and complex topic of the neuroscience of memory. Memory is a vital cognitive function that enables us to encode, store, and retrieve information. It underlies our ability to learn, make decisions, and form personal identity. However, memory is not a static entity but is instead a dynamic and complex process that involves multiple stages and types. One of the initial stages of memory is sensory memory, which briefly stores sensory information such as sounds, smells, or touch. Sensory memory allows us to perceive and respond to our environment, but it has a limited capacity and duration. The next stage of memory is short-term memory, also known as working memory, which holds information for a few seconds to a minute. Working memory enables us to maintain and manipulate information for current tasks, such as remembering a phone number or following directions. However, the most extended and durable stage of memory is long-term memory, which can last for days, months, or even a lifetime. Long-term memory is essential for storing and retrieving knowledge, skills, experiences, and personal events. It can be further divided into two main categories: declarative and non-declarative memory. Declarative memory involves conscious and explicit recall of facts and events, such as the name of a friend or the date of a historical event. Declarative memory relies on the hippocampus and surrounding brain regions, such as the medial temporal lobe, for its formation and consolidation. Non-declarative memory, on the other hand, involves implicit and automatic learning of skills, habits, and associations, such as riding a bike or playing an instrument. Non-declarative memory relies on different brain regions, such as the basal ganglia and cerebellum. Despite the different stages and types of memory, they are all interrelated and dependent on each other. Sensory memory feeds into working memory, which in turn consolidates into long-term memory. Retrieving information from long-term memory requires reactivation of the corresponding neural circuits, which can be influenced by external factors and internal states. One of the most intriguing aspects of memory is how it can be altered and manipulated. Our memories are not fixed records of reality but are instead reconstructed and updated based on our beliefs, expectations, and experiences. This can lead to errors and distortions in memory, such as forgetting, misremembering, or confabulating events. Additionally, memories can be influenced by external factors such as suggestion, emotion, and context. For example, the emotional valence of an event can enhance or impair its retention and retrieval. Neuroscientists have made significant strides in understanding the neural basis of memory. They have identified the brain regions that are involved in memory processing, such as the hippocampus, amygdala, and prefrontal cortex. They have also discovered the molecular and cellular mechanisms that underlie memory formation and consolidation, such as synaptic plasticity, gene expression, and protein synthesis. One exciting area of research in the neuroscience of memory is the development of memory-enhancing technologies. For example, scientists are exploring the potential of brain implants that can boost memory in people with cognitive impairments, such as Alzheimer's disease. They are also investigating the use of electrical and magnetic brain stimulation to enhance memory performance in healthy individuals. However, these technologies raise ethical and practical challenges, such as safety, efficacy, privacy, and social implications. Another challenge in memory research is the potential for misuse or abuse of memory-enhancing substances or methods. Some people may be tempted to use cognitive enhancers, such as prescription drugs or supplements, to improve their memory or academic performance. However, these substances may have unintended side effects or risks, and their long-term effects are still unclear. The development of memory-enhancing technologies has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn, work, and live. Brain implants, for instance, could help people with memory deficits caused by conditions such as Alzheimer's disease, traumatic brain injury, or stroke. These devices could restore lost memories or improve cognitive function by enhancing memory consolidation and retrieval. Brain stimulation techniques such as transcranial magnetic stimulation, TMS, and transcranial direct current stimulation, TDCS, have also shown promising results in boosting memory performance. These non-invasive techniques involve applying magnetic or electrical currents to specific brain regions to modulate neural activity. By stimulating the brain regions involved in memory processing, scientists have been able to enhance memory recall and recognition in healthy individuals. However, the development of memory-enhancing technologies also raises ethical concerns. For instance, who should have access to these technologies, and how should they be regulated? Could these technologies be misused for unethical purposes such as memory manipulation or mind control? These are just some of the questions that scientists, policymakers, and ethicists need to address before memory-enhancing technologies can become widely available. In addition to these challenges, memory research also faces technical and theoretical limitations. For example, despite decades of research, scientists still don't fully understand the neural mechanisms of memory consolidation and retrieval. They also don't know how memories are stored in the brain, whether they are localized to specific regions or distributed across neural networks. Another limitation of memory research is that it has primarily focused on the role of individual neurons and synapses in memory processing. However, recent studies have suggested that memory may also be encoded in larger scale patterns of neural activity across multiple brain regions. This has led to the emergence of new techniques such as functional connectivity analysis and multivariate pattern analysis, which aim to capture the complex and distributed nature of memory representations in the brain. Despite these challenges, the neuroscience of memory remains a rapidly evolving field with the potential to transform our understanding of the human mind. By shedding light on the neural basis of memory and exploring new ways to enhance it, scientists are opening up new avenues for treating cognitive disorders and improving human performance. The mysteries of memory are far from being fully solved, but with ongoing research and technological innovation, we are getting closer to unlocking the secrets of this essential cognitive function. While memory research still has many unanswered questions and challenges to overcome, it remains an exciting and dynamic field that promises to uncover the mysteries of the human mind. We hope you enjoyed this episode of the Galactic Pulse podcast, where we explored the fascinating topic of the neuroscience of memory. Join us next time as we delve into the enigma of dark matter and dark energy, two of the most profound mysteries of modern physics. Thank you for listening to the Galactic Pulse podcast, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest developments in science and technology. Until next time, keep exploring the frontiers of knowledge and pushing the boundaries of human understanding. This is Galactic Pulse, signing off.